Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we will be making this awesome and lip smacking shrimp masala. Are you ready? Come on, let's get started. We will start with making the base masala first. This is a simple and easy masala. Just fry the spices lightly but don't brown them. Just make sure all the spices are fried evenly. We are using fresh ground coconut for this recipe and we will just saute this until a light change of color. Transfer it to a blender and we will grind this with a few more ingredients. Dry grind first. Just a little water will be good. Blend to a smooth paste. Perfect. Keep this aside for a while. Here I have jumbo shrimp, but use any that are easily available. We will season these, mix well and allow them to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we will go ahead with the next step. You can use more oil if needed. Just add the onions and tomatoes and cook them together until a light layer of oil separates on the sides. Do you see it? Let's add the prepared masala paste now. Again, we will have to cook this until we see oil separating on the sides. This is good. You can add more red chili powder if you like spicy because this is a spicy dish. I have kept the chilies whole, but you can break them in half. Use very little water to cook the masala through. Now we are ready to add the shrimp into the masala. Mix well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I post a new and yummy recipe every week. Allow this to cook completely on medium heat. The shrimp is now cooked. It looks so amazing and the aroma has filled throughout the kitchen. A final garnish and we are ready to serve this absolutely amazing shrimp masala. Try to make this soon and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next week for more such tasty recipes. Until then, bye.